So for today's juice recipe, we're actually going to be doing a little lemonade style juice. So I'm calling this the C-Coco Lemonade, you guys. We have 1 cup of strawberries, 3 lemons, 2 raspberry oranges. If you can't find those, just grab me some regular oranges. We got some mint leaves, and then we have our coconut water over here. Now that we have the peels off of everything, let's go ahead and get going. Put our mint. And yes, we're leaving the tops on our strawberries. The tops actually do contain benefits, you guys. Check the caption down below to check out the benefits of this juice. It's a beautiful, rich texture and color. I love it. This is a pulp. So we got about 16 ounces of juice. Now we're gonna go ahead and put in our coconut water. And this is 100% coconut water. That's all that's in here, okay? So make sure that you guys find something that doesn't have a whole bunch of additives and things in it. So this can is 17.6 ounces. We're just gonna fill this jar up and see what we get. So there we have it. It looks delightful. I'm really excited to try this. And of course, y'all already know. Got my little cute glass. And I'll probably get a little piece of mint to garnish the top of this. I already know this is gonna be so good, you guys. Let me grab some mint. Just turn it off. Out here. How cute! I should have did me a little salt around the rim. That's what I should have did. Look at this. How cute is this? Look at this beautiful fresh juice we just made with only 5 ingredients. Ooh. It's a little more tart than I thought, but we did put 3 lemons in there. This is really good. You taste the lemon first. You taste a little nice hint of the strawberries. Oh, that's good. You can add you a little agave in here or a little dash of honey if you use honey, and this will be fire. Yeah. Don't dump a whole bunch of white table sugar in here though. Don't do that. But if you're okay with it being a little bit more tart and not super sweet, this is perfect. Yes, I like that. I like that. All right, so that is all for today's juicing video. Make sure that you are subscribed, and I'll see you guys for the next juicing video.